Morning, everyone. It's Christmas Eve day, and this is your video number 569, pre-opening comment for today, Thursday. And yesterday we had the people replacing windows, and today you have the cleaning girls. So if you hear the vacuum in the background, that's why. Okay, so Europe and Asia were slightly higher. Germany and France are actually closed today, and there's really not a whole lot of news around. The British pound is up a bit because everyone is expecting ratification of a Brexit deal today. Like in the US, they are also just in time, will procrastinate till the last possible second. Zoom is said to be involved in thinking about having an email and a calendar service. Apollo Group is in negotiations to buy some of Bud, AB Ambed, uh, plants that do canning. Alibaba is down 10% this morning on a Chinese investigation for anti-monopolistic actions. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say they're just screwing with Jack Ma for his poor choice of words in talking about the Chinese banking system. Moderna says that their vaccine should deal with the variants that are showing up also. And Square is looking at buying Tidal Music, which is Jay-Z's music streaming company. I don't know how that fits with a payment company, but to each his own. We had Thursday's numbers yesterday. Just a reminder, we were down 83,000 to 803,000 initial claims, and 5,053,000 for continuing claims, and that really didn't hurt or help the market. The Dow right now, implied open, is up about 55. NASDAQ is up about 18, and the S&P is up about 6. Bitcoin is down a little today, and the chart on the screen is the US dollar, which absolutely cannot get out of its own way. We have this big range day where we closed on the bottom, and the next day we had an inside day that closed near the high. Then yesterday we had yet another inside day closing down a little, and today we have a tiny range day but down 14.5 cents. This is not a good looking chart. As I've shown you before, I'll open it up a little and show you where we are in the grand scheme of things. We are right back to the 2018 lows here. If they hold, great. I don't really expect them to, but I do expect some erratic action like we've had here. Big up day, closing on the high, big down day, closing down on the day. A lot more velocity, not necessarily volatility in today's terms, but the velocity of the move is getting pretty extreme. So, I'm going to go out on a limb here and say 92 to 92.5 is probably the limit of the upside, and the downside is pretty ugly. The gold, as I said, up a little, 60 cents, so nothing there. The oil, which has really put on a show here with any good news and a slight drawdown, continues to move higher. Again, I don't really see a lot to stop it from hitting the $52 area. Okay, everyone, have a great holiday, and I'll be back on Monday.